Guys, I'm Tristan Campanella, and I'm here live in my listing at 2037 Avenue of the Trees, doing a live virtual open house. And I really want to walk you through the house and what I know about it, as well as ask questions. So I'm hoping that on my phone that I can actually get your questions. So if there's something you want to see more of or have a question about, please let me know. I sold the owner of this house. She is being relocated military-wise. So we want to make sure that we're getting the best home buyer for her as well. So awesome. Okay, great. Thanks guys for hitting the like and all that stuff. This is all so new, so weird. Okay, I'm going to turn it around. And we're going to start the walkthrough with the neighborhood. So we are just maybe a mile and a half from the beach. Oh, there's no video. I can't really deal with this. All right. So this is in a PUD complex. It is listed tax-wise as a single-family home, so you can use FHA and VA both to purchase the home here. You have one designated parking space. You are close to Hosp Grove, and the hiking trails are just down the street. As you can hear, I'll stop talking. It's very quiet here. So super, super quiet. You have a 2-car garage, and it's a twin home. So you are able to just share one wall with people. And as you enter, the thing that's the best about this home is all of the so breezy here and beautiful. And I'm going to try taking it off too, just in case. Okay. And it's so beautiful and breezy. So I'm hoping you guys can just hear that. When you walk in, you have a 2-car garage to your left. It is attached to the home. However, you do walk outside to come here. It's a very large 2-car garage. It is drywalled with cabinets on one side and a newer door here. Your washer and your dryer are located in the garage, and she also has a full home water filtration system that's staying with the home. She's being relocated, so we have to leave everything here. You have cabinetry here, and then as you walk in, you have 2 points of entry. You have either the French doors off of the kitchen and off of the guest room, or you can enter in the quote-unquote front door, which is mostly where most people come. The ring stays, and as we walk in, the seller has replaced all of the flooring downstairs with tile flooring, and it's really, really beautiful throughout. So as you walk in, she has vaulted ceilings, and to the left is your kitchen. It's a huge open kitchen. All of the cabinets have been painted. We now have upgraded quartz countertops. We have a gas stove, a fantastic burner. So light and bright in here. And again, one of the things that I love the best about this house is all of the wonderful little alcoves to sit, maybe enjoy your coffee. And things like that. So the refrigerator is going to stay. Here is your pantry location here. Okay. And then as you walked into the house, you also could make a right and then enter into her main living space. So this house is 2 bedrooms plus an upstairs loft. This house is perfect for maybe first-time home buyers, somebody starting a new family, somebody who wants a single-family home feeling under $700,000. That also maybe people retiring and wanting to move close to the beach because it lives like a single story. So you have your living area is combined with your dining. She has upgraded all of the light fixtures and again upgraded to tile throughout the downstairs. Another upgrade that she did was the fireplace, and it does work and it's wonderful. And she included these open beam ceilings here. So that's wonderful. The open loft is here, and I'll take you upstairs now. It would be super easy to, and she has a lot of storage. So storage here, big closet. And it would be very, very easy to to use this area either as what she uses it for, which is a office space, or because it has a window, it would not be expensive to take out this railing and go ahead and add drywall through here and make this a third bedroom. Many people have done that in this community. There's a great big storage closet and a brand new HVAC unit here for heating. Pardon me. So from the top, you can look down and see, so open, so bright, just a really happy house. So let's go tour the bedrooms. Dun, dun. All right, so from here, we have another outdoor space, okay? And we'll go around. So Erin, the seller, likes to entertain. She has very low maintenance, cute little sitting area. Okay, you can access the front door here again if you want to, but this is your back view. There are no real people or anything. You have your neighbors next door, but very private, right? Okay, so now we're going to enter into the master. Again, the tile floor is continued. And upgraded lighting throughout. Beautiful wall colors, very modern, very, very modern, okay? This is the master bath. So you have a dual sink here and dual lighting, dual medicine cabinets, okay? Washer, I was gonna say washer and dryer. This is the area where the shower is, very basic, you know, kind of a shower. Her closet situation, there is 3 sides to closets plus another closet. And then right outside the door is more storage. So you can see that. And then here is the counters. Okay. All right. So it would also be a great investment home if you wanted to purchase and rent it out. You cannot do Airbnb. It does have an HOA. So it'd have to be a long-term rental. Okay, here's the second bathroom, which is also off of the main living area. Okay, with another closet. This is the coat closet here. And the staging was done by Megan McCormick, which she did a wonderful job. And your second bedroom is here. Has its own entry, ceiling fans. It's so nice and cool in here. Okay, hardwood floors, the tile throughout, and closet. And then again, here's that entryway. Okay. So I don't know if anybody has any questions. If there's something they wanted to see more of, please let me know. I'm happy to do that. Otherwise, I will post this video. I'll also post the link for the Matterport video. That's the 3D walkthrough. It's very much like a dollhouse walkthrough where you can walk each room on your own. And then feel free, I'll put my contact information here as well.